Hello everyone, Dr. Nobody here, and we got a booster box of Riftbound Unleashed. Yeah. Decided to get one of these tonight. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm joined today by Jose.
Hello.
Crack
some open.
Yeah, we got a Sprite Burst, Arena Kingpin, Double Trouble, Turn to Dust, Targonian Visionary, Walking Roost, Loyal Poro, The Academy, Stare Down, Stalking Wolf, Trapping Grounds, Kha'Zix, Mutating Horror, Bashful Bloom, Mind Stone. Like the.
You got the Mind Stone? Oh, Miner.
Huh?
Said if I can open it. You see me?
A little bit more. Yeah.
You're gonna have to read them.
Upstage Comedy, Wuju Apprentice, Dramatic Visionary, Revna the Lore Keeper, Soul Harvest, Hunter's Machete, Megatusk, Back Off,
It's pretty cool art.
Star Spring, Mage Seeker Investigator, Ally Eager Admirer, Lassila, Deceiver.
I think it's a pretty good one. It's a pretty good deck.
So I'm hoping to at least get one of the nice arts, because Vault Breaker, Frisky Hunter, Spectral Centaur, Sharkling, Dragon Soul Sage, Bewitching Spirit, Soul Harvest, Black Flame Altar, Trevor Snooze Bottom, Petal Pixie, Scuttle Crab, Master Yi. Okay. Blue Sentinel. Okay, so we got I forget what the bigger rarity is. You want to go ahead and open your next deck?
I played online afterwards, like I won after that day, I played online. I lost so many games, I switched over so much skill.
Let me just crack so hard to open. Alright, we got a combat experience. Spectral Center, Sharking, Crimson Pigeon, Kinku's Initiate, Lunar Boom, Black Rose Dignitary,
Chakram Dancer, Ripper's Bay, Stalking Wolf, Vandal Soldier, Kha'Zix. Ooh, okay. Litling Lullaby.
It's an over number.
It's an over number?
Oh wait, I was upside down. Never mind. I'm just sticking upside down.
Here, hold on a second. We'll stick that one to the side. It would be nice to get an over number. I would like that. Shadow Watcher.
Dyslexic and upside down. I feel like that should be
Arena
undyslexic.
Kingpin. Dalmatian Diplomat. Isolate. Crimson Pigeons. Grim Resolve. Scorch Claw. Amateur Recital. Scryer's Bloom. Shepherd's Heirloom. Conscription. Scorn of the Moon. Reflection.
I love that art. What's spec number 5?
I think so, yeah.
Do it upside down.
Skyward Strike. Downstage Dramatics. Prepared Neophyte. Targonian Visionary. Bewitching Spirit. Carrion Dredger. Voracious Gromp. Altar Blood. Deadly Flourish. Lotus Trap. Crescent Guardian. Clash of Giants.
That looks sick.
Dancing Grenade, and then Baron Pit. I think one of these, each one contains at least one special stone. Skyward Strike, Ruined Rex, Prepared Neophyte, Mutated Mauser, Vicious Snapjaw, Black Rose Dignitary, Voracious Gromp, Friendship, Dusk Rose Lad, Crescent Strike, Fresh Beans, Katarina Reckless, Virtuoso, and then Chaos Stone. Here, you want to get closer?
Switch sides so I can read. It's all on. Got Double Trouble, Fate Weaver, Inferna, that art looks sick, Monch, Starcross, that looks sick too, Heroic Charge, Gem Hand Hunter, Valley of Idols, Glass Cone, the Academy, Scorn of the Moon again, Huey,
Ooh, and then
Gutter Palace.
Here, we'll put this. I'm not sure what the ratio on these is, but
Is it this one you want to know? Or which one's the one you want to throw there?
oh, I regarded it. Downstage Dramatics, Smite, Double Trouble, Mr. Root, Scrutinizing Sergeant, Concentrate, Megatusk, Repulse, Frozen Fortress, Shadow's Call, Fate Weaver, Smoke and Mirrors, Sacrifice,
That's
a
sick.
Fury Ruin. So that's one of our. So we got our Ruin card.
Thank you for doing that. You may have won the bet, little dude.
You let me borrow a Neo, right?
Yeah. I'll grab it in a sec. Moonlight, Affliction, Towering Hierophant, Soul Sword, that looks sick too. Isolate, Loyal Pearl, Towering Combatant, Vicious Snapjaws, Fresh Beans, that's sick actually. Forgotten Library, Enthusiastic Promoter, Launch, Atacon, Fumi,
Possibly
Body Ram.
if the price is low.
Fresh Beans is sick.
Icevale Archer, Inferna, Herald of Spring, Fate Weaver, Heroic Charge, Kinko Initiate, Isolate, Vaults of Helia, Gust Walker, Rite of Conquest, Abandon, Some Works Math, Evelyn Entrancing, then Sprite.
Alright, let's see. Sprite Burst. You see me?
You got 30 minutes if you're on the wall.
Mischievous Marvel. Mirage. Frisky Hunter. Eclipse, that looks sick. Shepherd's Heirloom. Dragon Soul Sage. Mr. Root. Black Flame Altar. Disposal Order. Abandoned Hall. Mischievous Marine. Piltover Enforcer, sick.
Pike.
Pike.
You can see it. It's like watching
Upstage Comedy. Mosh. Turn to Dust. Ultra Soft Cora. Towering Combatant. Walking Roost. Black Rose Dignitary. Scryer's Bloom. Trapping Grounds. Insightful Investigator. Ivern Nurturer. Keeper of the Hammer.
You know what next card was?
Hey, we got a Signature Gear V.
Sick. Dramatic Visionary. Towering Paraffin. Combat Experience. Concentrate. Crescent Guardian. Ultra Soft Poro. That looks so cute. Hunter's Machete. Star Spring. Amateur Recital. I didn't know you could get two. Undying Loyalty. Ice Veil Archer. Syndra.
Hey.
Daisy. That's cool.
We'll put that over here. Towering Paraffin.
She's the only one that
Wuju Apprentice.
like
Moonlight Affliction.
let's stay focused on the problem. Everyone's
Hunter's Machete. Starfrost. Vandal Soldier. Dragon Soul Sage. Altar of Blood. Forgotten Signpost. Valley of Idols. Mutated Mauser. Determined Sentry. Grim Apothecary. You're good?
I need to look at the channel finder again.
Eclipse.
That was right
Vault
there.
Breaker. Skyward Strike. Ice Veil Archer. Mr. Root. Carrion Dredger. Concentrate. Sprite Fountain. Crowd's Favorite. Gardens of Becoming. Divining Shells. Yumi. Sig. Lord Harbor River.
Art. Come here.
Revna the Lore Keeper. Soul Sword.
Yes.
Dramatic Visionary.
Yes. Whatever you want.
Hooray.
Whenever he's done with the video.
Evershade Stalker. Carrion Dredger. Grim Resolve. Scorch Claw.
Because I already got the Roxy on the way.
Abandoned Hall. Imposing Challenger. Gem Hand Hunter. Tactical Retreat. Blood Harbor Ripper.
How much was the box, Tristan?
120.
Oh, that's pretty cheap. What do they
Yeah.
usually get for?
I don't know. Like I mean, it seems like we got a lot of stuff, but nothing like we haven't gotten like any kind of over
And that
number.
room was sick. Prepared Neo.
I don't think we got an alternate art yet.
Herald Springs. Moonlight Affliction. Upstage Comedy. Star-Crossed. Scrutinizing Sergeant. Voracious Rope. Romp. Yeti Brawler. The List. Trevor Snooze Bottom. That looks cute. Bewitching Spirit. Poppy.
Paragon.
Yeah.
0-3.
And tokens.
Combat Experience, Sprite Burst, Vault Breaker, Shadow Watcher, Bewitching Spirit, Shepherd's Heirloom, Gem Hand Hunter, Safety Inspector, Dusk Rose Lab, Frigid Jewel, Inferno, Keeper of Masks, hey, Rift Herald. Nice.
Alright, let's get something good. Sword Soul. Soul Sword. That's like Sword Soul from Yu-Gi-Oh! Spectral Centaur. Mischievous Mirai. Evershade Stalker. Shepherd's Heirloom. Kinku Initiate. Crescent Guardian. Ripper's Bay. Willie's Newfish.
Wily Newfish.
Wily Newfish. Starhound.
I'm very
Double
attached.
Trouble. Class of Giants. This art looks sick. And Zillion.
I'm gonna close this. Is that okay?
Okay.
Are you looking for anything in particular?
No, not really.
Okay.
Well, I'm looking for Mega Greninja SIR, but
I don't have that.
yeah, I'm gonna say
I'm not current on.
Ruined Rex, Arena Kingpin, Mutated Manager, Crescent Guardian, Crimson Pigeons, Damascene Diplomat, Lunar Bloom, Monster Raccoon, Forgotten Library, Medicinal Dread, Gentle Gem Dragon, Undying Legion. Ooh, Galio.
I think it was a new.
In
Is there or
I'm not even gonna.
Gallia.
Just a little title underneath. That's getting me.
the one thing you're missing is Blast.
Oh yeah. I don't have that.
Damn. I don't think this was it.
Shadow Watcher. Downstage Dramatics. Revna, the Lore Keeper.
Heroic Charge, Towering Combatant, Lunar Boon, Ultra Saltporo, Soul Shepherd, Forbidding Race, Enthralling Protector, Chakram Dancer, Keeper of the Hammer, Honeyfruit, Icevale Archer, Smite, Herald of Spring, Turn to Dust, Loyal Poro. Oh, looks like we got something here. Targonian Visionary, Vicious Snapjaw, Gardens of Becoming, Flurry of Feathers, Gentle Gem Dragon, Conscription, Blue Vex, and we got the altar for Rift Herald.
That looks sick.
Yeah. I don't think he's that much more expensive though. You want to get the last pack?
Last pack magic, boys. Tristan might have got us with that old part.
No, I don't think we came close to getting to the value.
Frisky Hunter. Ruined Rex. Inferno. Uji Apprentice. Gemhammer Hunter. Mega Tusk. Vandal Soldier. Square Up, that's so funny. Sinister Poro. Moss Stomper. Kinku Initiate. Five Peacemaker, that's an altar too.
Oh, that's nice.
Two, it's the same card.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's different.
Okay.
It's pretty sick. Oops, sorry. Yeah, we just throw cards around here. It is the same card.
I don't know if I have.
That looks sick. Sleeve it up.
Here, hold on a second, I gotta get my sleeves open. Alright, well that was the box.
Yeah. Also, I just realized I put the shinies in the.
So I'm definitely gonna say we did not get our value back.
That's okay though. It's for the fun of
Yeah.
the chase.
Is the turn?
That's sick though. Two alternates.
I would probably do this 2 more times.
Right now.
No, they don't have any more right now. Alright everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and subscribe for our pain.
For our pain. Our pain, your pleasure.
Gotta clean this up. See y'all in the next one.